Yes, I'm at the office, but I just want to quickly drop this message. I saw this boy they call Edochie. He has been supporting Bola Ahmed Tinubu since inception. I'm very, very sure that he's passing through a lot himself. I mean, Edochie, considering what has been going on in the movie industry. Edochie cannot tell me that the previous regime has probably they did badly compared to Bola Ahmed Tinubu regime. Bola Ahmed Tinubu regime is totally a flop, if he understands what I mean. Because there was a comment he made about P2B that every party he goes, that the party scatter or something. I just look at him as he's speaking from the other side of his mouth, and I know his stomach infrastructure, if I may put it that way. Sorry to say it, but it is what it is. You see, he's been trying to make sure Bola Ahmed Tinubu bring him to limelight, probably to give him the city boy movement, which they gave Obi Kubana, but it did not happen. So unfortunate, it didn't happen. I can see Yuel Edochie to be a prodigal son because I believe his father is not on his side. His father is a very prominent guy and a very, if I may say, a responsible father, a father whom anybody would want to have as a father. But Yuel Edochie, the way he's moving himself with his family problems, dropping his baby mama, and all those rubbish and all those drama that has happened in the past, and currently the way he speaks, I know nobody reasonable from Igbo land will ever support this rubbish and this narrative he's trying to push. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he will never give you any ministerial post or even appoint you for anything. You can see that they have boycotted you. I mean, you're Edochie, because the way you are talking every time, why can't you stay and do your movie? You are good at what you do. For sure, I do watch your movie. Credit to you, but the way and manner you are going off track, which means you have left your jurisdiction and you're encroaching into other things because you saw that people are making money through politics. You think that's where you're going to go and get money. I believe you are comfortable. If not, your father has already made the table palatable for you people and your family. So coming to think of it, you should be reasonable to deal with a real story. I mean, the reality than the way you are operating. Bola Ahmed Tinubu regime is a flop, and it's a failure. He has failed totally. You know that. Nobody's gonna tell you. I don't know if you are buying fuel, PMS, you know how much you used to buy it, and you know how much you are buying. I come in peace, love for all of you, but still I have to stress this fact so that you understand. People see the nonsense you write on a daily basis. You talk, you are like you want to become a saboteur. You are looking for position by all means. Then the best way to do is to castigate or to talk down on someone whom you can't. It's not even I don't want to use your father. Your father is a nice man. P2B is not in your class. You understand? If you don't support P2B and you want to support bad government, I know you are feeling it. If you say you are not feeling it, your brothers, your sisters, your relatives, some of them are feeling it very badly. That you are seeing what to eat today doesn't mean that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is doing fantastically well. You know what I'm talking about. I don't want to stress this matter, but I just want to tell you there is no point wasting your time. If you want to join the bandwagon, the bad boys, the Mwike group, the Tinubu group, as a Shei group, you can go and do that. Nobody is stopping you. But coming to talk down on some other people because you are looking for position, and they left you and gave other people city boys, and you are there, nobody mentioned your name. Nobody even approached you. Even if they did, you can't move a mountain. You know what I'm talking about. So I believe you must be reasonable. You are good at what you do in movie. You are fantastic. You're a good guy. Don't leave that your business to go and start dabbling into other people's business. Politics may not be your calling. Movie is your calling, I can see. So coming from your father is the calling of the family. So don't deviate. Don't move from there. Concentrate. You will make life out of it instead of making fool of yourself. You're almost bringing a shame to your family. I don't know if your father talks to you, but I know the way you are going, you're going to rub your father's name to the mob. That's what it looks like. So I instruct, and in fact, I advise you to tread with care and speak reasonably. Otherwise, your entire family will regret it in near future. I'm just telling you the honest and brotherly advice I'm giving you. Peace and love. I'm out of here. Just take care and understand what I've just said. It is very simple. Stop talking down on people. Stop talking down on P2B. It's not your mates. If you don't like him, keep your mouth shut. Go and support your Tunumbu that you've been supporting and no change. Instead, things are getting worse. You know what I'm talking about. So let's be reasonable sometime. I'm out of here. Thank you. Peace.